you can bribe them? Or you would think that sila papayag nga kami ang mag-bribe them the way I talk, the way I've been firing people? Tapos tingnan niyo yung ano, what do you know about also the vote that Bongo has to intervene?
Sir, as far as we're concerned, we've already addressed the issue of fairness on that article. Can you just answer please the question?
Hindi kita maintindihan. I am now explaining even with your article. Find a way dapat masabi ka ng totoo nag-intervene kami. I'll give it to you. And if you can find, I will ask Bong to resign tomorrow. Work on it tonight. Let me know tomorrow and I will fire him. If he did intervene, even for 1 word. Kasi tingnan ninyo yung article ninyo. Maligaya kayong gawain nyo sa kapwa-tao ninyo yan araw-araw. Just because you have the power of press freedom. The issue here is not press freedom. The way your masters, the elite, yung may-ari niyan, and you are not even constitutionally allowed to go into the media with the pretext of yung depository. What kind of a salam of which is that? Well, technically, the Constitution does not really allow your company, of which you are a worker of that company. You are a Filipino who was allowed to abuse our country. And you are an active participant of that. Ayan ang mahirap. In the name of the Holy Grail of press freedom. Kaya na totoo talaga yan. Sumobra kayo. Pati ako, you're not only throwing toilet paper, you're throwing shit at us. Yung amo mo, anong kaso niya? Why do you do research about people? Why don't you research about your own company you're working with? It's known to be a group of companies Lopez before. They borrowed billions from itong bangko na DBP. They never paid. You know what happened at the end of the day? It was condoned by the powers because they are the elite. Yan ang ano. Dapat kayo ang kalaban ng mga komunista. Hindi mo. Inquirer. How long did you hang on to that goddamn Mylong? 50 years. Nag-expire na lang. They were continue collecting the renters there when it was no longer theirs, money of the people. Tapos ang sabi, poverty and poverty, sulat is poverty. Kayo ngayon ang nagtakuhan dyan. It's not a question of press freedom. It's a question of abuse and protection by the elite of this country.